Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into a common coding scenario in C#, counting how many times a character or substring occurs in a string. Let's see this with an example. Suppose we have this string. Today is a great day to code. Let's count how many times the letter O appears. We want to count how many times the letter O occurs in this string. Here's a first, straightforward attempt. Many developers might try. This approach loops through each character in the string and increments a counter every time it finds our desired character. While it gets the job done, it's a bit verbose and can clutter your code, especially for larger projects or complex logic. So, let's look at a cleaner, more elegant approach. Now replace the first snippet with the new one using LINQ, as shown here. See how simple and readable that is? By using LINQ's count method, we significantly improve the readability and maintainability of our code, making it clear at a glance exactly what's happening. And there you have it, a neat and efficient solution for counting occurrences of characters or substrings within strings in C#. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming tips.